Hi, avid students. Welcome back to day 2, Tuesday the 25th. I'm going to do a short video to go through today's assignment. Again, you will notice on the screen this says freshman, but each of the pages is actually the same for everybody. So your page should be for your grade level, sophomores, juniors, and seniors. So when you hit and go to page 2, which it actually went to page 3. Man, technology is not with me. We are going to jam to some fun and get to know you games. You'll notice that this week, as we're getting back into the groove, we are trying to take some time to get to know our classmates. So you will put the following on your post-it for your class period. Your name. I noticed that from Monday, a lot of you responded but didn't put your name. I can't give you credit if I don't know who you are. So even if you put your first name and last initial, that would be great. I'm totally fine with that. Please make sure you put your last initial though, because there are a few people that have the same first names. You're gonna put your name, favorite Netflix series or TV series, your favorite food, your favorite activity that you like to do. Maybe some of you like to read, some of you like to draw. What was your boredom buster that you utilized during the pandemic? A lot of us were stuck at home or safe at home. Like to say that. So what did you try to do to pass the time? And then finally, why did you join Avid? At the very bottom, you will see the link. Now, I did make a mistake on Monday and I didn't give you editing access to Jamboard, but I fixed this one. So you should be able to click on the Jamboard. It will take you here, and then notice it says on a sticky note, tell us. Now I gave my example here on the side, so it says Mrs. Tucker, 90-day fiance, buttered popcorn, lifting weights, go for a drive, and to make a difference, all right? Now, if you notice you're running out of room, I added this note with this cool drawn arrow. If you need to add a page, you click this arrow here, and we can add 2 or 3 pages. A lot of you were good. You know this is the sticky note, and we'll go from there. So good job on the Jamboards. Do not create your own Jamboard. It has to be on this one. Now, going back, your second thing you're going to do today, this is called a website scavenger hunt. You are going to use this link, and it's going to take you to my teacher website. You are going to answer these questions. You have 12 questions that you need to answer. So for example, name the college Mrs. Tucker got her bachelor's degree from. So if you click on the website, it'll take you here. This is my school page. Guys, every single teacher at Alvin High School has their own web page. So if you go to alvinisd.net, click here where it says Alvin High School and go to faculty. You can look up any teacher by their last name, but we're looking specifically at my page. So you may find it here on the front page. You may find it over here, but you're going to answer those questions. Now, notice at the bottom it says your answers go here. You are going to click and it's going to open a Google Doc. You are going to sorry, I said Google Doc, a Google form, and then you're just going to answer the questions. The questions go exactly in line with everything that is there. I just noticed a mistake, number 2. I didn't give you the ability to answer, so I have to make that correction. Isn't this great? We're learning as we're going. Those are your 2 assignments. Please remember, if you're an AVL, Alvin Virtual Learner, you are not meeting me on Google Meets. You will never meet me on Google Meets unless you want to meet during tutorials to ask some questions. Feel free to email me because I definitely want to answer questions for you. All right, good luck. I will make the correction to number 2 and number 6 and goodness. I will make the corrections before I have you guys answer. All right, have a great day.